TSR Creations. So I am super excited to be kicking off this 5-video collaboration with a huge mega prize to win and a chance to win smaller prizes in each video. How awesome is this? All right, so what you need to do, you need to like, subscribe, and comment on each of these videos to win a 6-piece Prizm pour set. Each video, each channel will be giving one prize away. If you want to win the 18-piece mega set, which is over $400, you need to watch each video in its entirety because there's a secret word in each video. You get those secret words, you collect them, it makes a phrase, and you email them to Colourarte, and then randomly they will pick someone to win that 18-piece Prizm pour set. How awesome is that? It's getting a little chilly out here, a little windy, a little spooked. All right, so what did I do for my portion of the video? So you know, if you watch my channel, you know that I kind of usually use blues and greens, and I tend not to use too many fall or earthy tones in my paintings. So this was a challenge and I was up for it. So I decided to make a 3D mixed media piece. This is what I created. It is a spooky tree. This took me a lot longer than what you're going to see here because we had to speed it up for the sake of the videos. But if you'd like to see this video, I could post it in its entirety. Just let me know. So it's really cool. It's 3D. You can feel it. There's a lot of shimmer, but you'll see some really good pictures at the end. Yeah, so it was fun making this. I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember to like, subscribe, comment, and all that stuff. And collect those words. And yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm getting a little spooked out here. I can't lie. Don't eat too much candy today. See ya.